while I was reading through the news some days ago, I found an article, or I think I received an email from a newsletter, I don't know, saying the YouTubeVR app is there. And you can watch videos together with your friends. You can experience the whole VR 360-degree experience on YouTube together with your friends. And I was like, wow, this is so incredible. This is so cool. I was waiting for that so long. And now it says it's only available for the GearVR. Okay. Not the Oculus Go, not the HTC Vive, not the... you name it. But guess what? I have a GearVR, of course, man. But let's roll the intro first. So I will stream you from inside this GearVR, and let's see, I'm in the home screen, I'm in my home area on the Oculus Home, and there it is, entertainment, music, videos, YouTubeVR, right on the front page. So let's see, what does it say? Experience your favorite YouTube channels, videos and creators in virtual reality. The YouTubeVR app turns every video on the platform into your own virtual reality experience and reimagines YouTube as a 3D world you can explore from the inside. There's a preview video. I'm excited. What did we show? Okay. Okay, as you can see, these are 360-degree videos, I think. Yeah, this definitely is. This is very famous. Every creator channel, video, YouTube, and virtual reality. Oh my gosh, finally. Great. Great. So, it is free and it requires the GearVR controller. Wait a minute. By the way, it's August the 7th, 2018, and I'm in Germany, and we nearly have 40 degrees Celsius. Fuck my life. Got it. So, wearing a headset, wearing a VR headset at 30 to 40 something Celsius degrees. Hell yeah, I'd love to wear it. What the fuck? You haven't paired any controller. Get a controller? I get one. So as always, I haven't been in the app before. I haven't seen the app before. And I'm now in the home area, obviously. And yeah, I think this looks like the creator space, something like that. Looks familiar to me, I don't know. And as you can see, I can scroll just by looking down. And probably this is, no, it's okay. Can I scroll with? No, I can't. I'll just choose something. I don't know. And now I'm inside a 360-degree video. Cool. And boy, this camera work. Okay. So it's just the overlay. Okay. Yeah. A 360-degree video, nice. So, CNN, okay. Publish, the Great Pyramid meets used mystery. I think that would be interesting, but I just wanted to check out what I can do, and then yeah, just go back to the screen. So we can experience together what we can do. So this is the best of VR by Virtual Reality. Okay, only 360 degrees subscriptions. Oh, these are my subscriptions. Let's see. What is that? I think this is a normal video. That's a 2D video, not a 360 degree. And yeah, I'm inside the space, like the center space I've been before at the beginning. And now I think this is Lego. There's no wall to watch the video. Yeah. Yeah, just wanted to check that out. Okay, basically there's not that much what you can experience here. These are just most of the normal videos I would see as I log in my normal YouTube account. And besides that, of course, we have the best of VR and a special area for 360 degree videos. Obviously. Okay, this is how it should be. Okay, so but watch together, beta version, meet up with others to watch and discover videos together. Oh, branded accounts are not supported in watch together. Besides that, I honestly don't have friends. No, I don't know any friend who could now have the time to watch YouTube videos with me. But that would be, I think, the area. Can I switch the account? Okay, here. Brand accounts are not supported. Okay. It's not. Popular videos from cyber casual. Nice. The views are incredible. 2, 3, 30. Anyway, language doesn't count. So I would love to show you the watch together, but I think I need to show it clear now. Yeah, that's what it looks like. This is so beautiful. I love it. Now, honestly, let's check YouTube video VR together out. I think I can fix a problem with a personal branded account in some way. Should be that tough. But send me your name. I don't know. Yeah, send me your name actually. Send me the name of your YouTube channel, and it shouldn't be a branded account. And then let's check out together how to use YouTube VR and watch videos together, okay? So, because alone, I cannot do that much. I mean, I can watch videos like I do all the time, but it wouldn't be that interesting for you. So, add me on social media as well. Subscribe to the channel so we can interact on YouTube VR. And also, if you want to become a part of the inner circle, I would love to see you on my Patreon side. So, yeah, hope to see you soon on the YouTube VR or on this channel or one of the next videos. Or anyway, tschüss, bye!